Greetings 101 students. This will be my last teacher chat of the semester, and it'll be a short one, but I'm going to use it to summarize what's happening this week and to wish you well. So first I have this meme, which I'm sure you guys have seen before, of the horse who is drawn so beautifully at the beginning and so horribly at the end. And of course, it is a good metaphor for the semester, because at the start of the semester we all feel like we're going to do our best and we're going to do great work and it's all going to be wonderful. And by the end of the semester we're definitely doing stick figures of, of some of our work, and even by the end of finals we're like just making it by. And so I show you guys this meme to just empathize and normalize that it is very hard to finish out a 16-week semester, even more so during the pandemic. So I hope you guys are all doing really well right now as you kind of come towards the end of our class, but also the end of your other classes, in addition to the end of the year. So I kind of make this this funny meme as an offering to you. In terms of your grades, inquiry number 3 is almost finished. I believe I have 2 more to grade, and that's just due to me getting sick last week. But I am better now and I'm able to continue grading. So today I will likely finish grading all of inquiry 3. Please make sure that you read both my in-text comments as well as the end comment that attaches to the grade, as well as the comments in the rubric. I created a rubric this time for the essay so that you could really see the breakdown of the kind of weight I give to each component. I hope you guys noticed that I kind of backed away from the body element of the essay because I think it confused a lot of you. If you did put in the body element, I consider that a bonus, and tried to kind of give you credit for kind of making that extra level of connection that was in the prompt. But overall, the essays were good attempts at the research papers, and the research papers include so many different components, not only having research, but having an argument or a thesis, having paragraph cohesion, making sure you're including a naysayer. All of these elements were present both within the guide to research as well as the modules during inquiry number 3. So they shouldn't be a surprise to anybody. But I do want to kind of show you that where and how you can improve in the future, as you will likely be asked to write a research paper in college in the US. So just know that those grades are almost finished, and if you have any questions about the feedback, please let me know. I'm happy to do so. Your inquiry number 4 projects and writer's letters are due by this Friday. Hopefully these are easy lifting. I haven't gotten any questions so far, so if you have any, I'll be watching my email and I'll be sure to respond sooner than not. Lastly, grades I will likely get done before Christmas. They don't normally take me too long. But overall, the district, San Diego Community College District, is not requiring grades to be done until January 8th, just so you know. So if other teachers or other classes take some time to post them, that's why. But I will likely post them sooner. Most of our class, is finished by this point, and I have most of it graded. So you guys should get your grades probably before Christmas. Otherwise, if you go ahead and look at this week's module, it's just really submitting the body biography, which is the image or the picture that you draw or create, and the writer's letter explaining those moves. Make sure that you go back to the assignment sheet that was posted last week in module 15.5, and there's where you can make sure you're following the directions and answering all the questions I'm looking for. Otherwise, I put up the last student social lounge if you want to kind of go on and chat. It's kind of a very open prompt this time, just any feedback about the class or anything you guys want to express to each other, or just get off your chest about the finals or the semester. Anything like that is always good to kind of share. And I will of course post the last teacher chat here. Otherwise, I just want to thank you all for working through this semester. At this point, I believe there are probably about 15 of you who are completing the class, and probably about 6 of you who actually listen to the teachers' chats. So I appreciate you if you're one of those 6. I know it's really hard to balance schoolwork with family life, and I really aimed to show a great amount of flexibility to you all as students while still holding you guys up to a standard that I think challenged you enough to help you learn. If nothing else, I really hope that you guys found the class helpful to thinking about different types of reading different types of ideas about bodies and expressing yourself in different ways. You've done a lot of writing this semester for me, and you should feel very proud of that, regardless of where your grade ends up. If you have participated and completed the class, you have learned, and that should feel good. As always, if you guys have any questions for me as you finish out the semester, let me know. I'm happy to help. Otherwise, I look forward to reading your inquiry number 4 projects later this week. Thanks.